Stop pointing your gun.
He just came in here.
If you're scared, low ready. You point your gun, that's how you're going to get shot.
And you gotta stay here.
Yeah, if you have the money, you have to stay here with the group.
You kind of forgot about that, didn't you?
Yeah. Hey, alright, couple other things.
Anyone want my money?
Anybody want what?
My money? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take it.
There's a 200 chip bounty alive on a guy.
What did you
All
do to your helmet?
multi-cam.
Holy
Tag
shit.
and launcher on an M4. Oh no, I got chalk on your shit.
You put chalk all over your helmet, didn't you?
I know. It's because it was orange and the tinfoil kept falling off. I don't want to get mistaken for a rat. I'll wipe that off when I get back to the car.
That's fine.
Hey, someone
alive,
at that door and
100
watch.
What's he wearing?
Multicam and a tag and launcher on his M4. He robbed the casino.
Okay. Gotcha. Hey, stay here. I got some stuff to tell you. Drake and Paul. Drake and Paul, come here. You guys both missed the store brief, so come on over. So if you're at the store, first off, we're leaving a minimum of 3 people here. 1 to run the shop, 1 to cover this door, 1 to cover this door. No rifles coming through here. Prices are on the wall. The Powerade's going to be the same price as the Coke for 5. You guys know the currency system?
Yes, sir. What is
How much is a white chip worth?
1.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
White
White's
is
1.
Blue is 5.
Nope.
And that's why
Blue is 10.
Blue is 10.
Red is 5. Black is 20. Light to dark. Huh?
I thought black is 100.
Black is 20. Alright, so, and then prices. I don't have a price set for the vest or the gun. I don't know. The vest we could do like 50. The gun I want 50 caps. If we get real money offered for that too, I'll take it. It's $100 for real money. And in-game currency, it's probably got to be like 500 caps at least. Huh? No, just leave it. Actually, that's a piece of trash. Go turn it in for candy. You're like, woo, drugs.
That's one. But I don't think you can turn that in.
What's? Maybe.
We could maybe trade the AUG for something.
I'd be open to trades.
We could see what's in that.
No, I didn't see what's in there.
Oh, there's actually pretty cool stuff. I would recommend we go there after.
And I told you were here when I told you if you got a pee, turn your camera off,
Yeah.
right? Okay, cool. But Paul wasn't. Now he's already gone. Seriously?
Yep, he left.
God damn.
He took the tray.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Where did Kevin go?
Right there. Hey, we got gunfire.
Over there.
Is that at us or no?
Corner.
Hit. Gotta count to like 90.
Huh?
Gotta count to like 90 if you got hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14.
No, you got it. Don't you have to tap them
To loot? Yeah.
Yeah, you can't just rob.
I should have brought a dead rag. I'm hit. If there's somebody looking at me, I'm hit.
Hey! Surrender! Surrender!
Not if you're dead. If you're dead, you gotta stay. If you're dead, you gotta stay. We're hit. We can't move. We're hit. We cannot move. We're hit.
You search him? You search him?
Nope. I got nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing?
Nope.
Okay. You dead or you surrender?
I'm dead. I'm bleeding out. Actually, I don't need to bleed out anymore since I've been searched. If you've been searched, walk to the thing. You guys are going to get fucked when we get back.
We need to bring the 2 back to the police station.
want me to shoot you. I was trying to shoot.
If they search you, you can walk.
My BB was like curved.
Should have brought a dead rag, but that's okay.
I think you guys are being targeted.
That's all right. We're a big group. We'll take care of business.
You gotta figure out who's after you.
Well, I'm just gonna kill who shot me. I don't care who's after me. That's how that works. Y'all better run. I got you all on cameras too.
Good evening.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hi. We don't know what's going on.
You can go back to whoever that
Oh.
Please get here. What's underclassmen?
Oh yeah.
Level 6A.
You don't happen to have a beard by chance, do you?
Nah, but this is my Cry JPC. I love it. Custom. I guess we're waiting.
That's pretty much. It's like Bill Cole, I'm pretty sure they just took all the money out of it.
They can't take them all. They can take 10. And that's it. That's why we put it all with one person. We tried to game the system a little that way.
3 minutes, guys.
3 minutes? Shit, we'll wait. You're making a bank, though.
That's my change.
That's your change?
That's the change. Yeah, everything that comes in, I've got to wash. How much time do I got left? You got 3 minutes left. I just laid it out.
Yo.
It's because, so they said it was because we were apparently talking trash about them?
No?
Yeah, apparently that's why.
That's why?
Yeah.
That we were talking trash about.
Yeah, and they
They're
probably
just
got
making
it
some
wrong. Yeah, we didn't though.
Yep, that's fine. Whatever, we'll go mark them after we get back up.
What's the timer at?
Oh man, you got to go pro? Oh,
2 more minutes.
Okay.
Wait, how long you guys been here? 15?
No, not even close. It rotates every 3 minutes, or every 15 minutes they have spawns. So sometimes it's better to just wait it out.
So once you guys are back, we go back?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Paul, are you dead?
Yup.
Cool, you got 2 minutes to wait.
Paul,
I got shot.
Paul, you gotta drop that money. I'm just gonna say that, you have to.
Yeah, I didn't know where to drop it.
Okay, so if you're gonna go off on your own, yeah, you gotta leave the money there. And then here's the other thing. If you gotta take a leak, cut your camera off. Otherwise, if you forget, let me know so I can look for that, so we don't put that part on YouTube.
Okay.
Wait, how many chips can I take?
Huh?
How many can I take?
10. They can only take 10 from a person, and you can only take 10 from somebody else.
Because according to Reddit, it's called the you have sight.
Huh?
They took all of them.
All who? Oh, yeah, you're Riley. You only give up 10 chips when you get looted. That's it.
I don't have any chips.
Right. What I'm saying is, in the future, only 10. 1 blue, 2 reds, or 10 blue, whites. You don't give them all.
Because we apparently talked trash about them before the game started?
No.
Yeah,
we
there's
didn't.
someone else.
Yeah, it's probably the other dude that was wearing red, but not, you know.
Oh yeah, I was gonna shoot that, but then I realized.
We're good to go? Bye!
No, I'm heading to the brownie board and snipe at any. Hey, I'm heading to the brownie board.
I'm going back to the shop.
No, everyone, okay, we need
Back
to
to
go
the
back.
shop.
We need to go back to the shop, make sure none of our shit got taken.
I want to head to the brownie board so I can regain my chips. I don't have any chips.
We got plenty for the group.
Don't have any cash.
Can I go set a bounty on someone?
No. We are a big enough group, we don't need to pay for anybody to do any shit for us. These guys, though, I want to take out kind of sort of.
Ask you what you guys are up to today?
We're heading back to our store.
And who's in charge?
Me.
You know, take a walk over to the station with me?
Let's go.
I'm actually invincible.
Ah.
I'm invincible. I think in this corner still.
Yeah, you are. I didn't realize you were wearing blue. I thought that was a lighter blue.
That's why I was asking. You're gonna come with me.
I'm dead.
It doesn't matter. I can take you. I can take you.
Okay, I'm dead. I'm not talking.
Take you in.
Cool.
Firefight Magma.
I ain't saying shit without my lawyer.
Who's your lawyer?
I don't know. That's a good question. Is there a public defender still?
Nope.
Yep.
Wait. Gun down. Aim it. Officer, I'm gonna watch your back, officer.
Thank you.
Come on, let's give him an escort.
Oh yeah, the rat. Yeah. This is your boss, huh?
Don't be friendly with him. He was doing his job. Be friendly with him.
That looks purple.
Those are purple.
Those are purple.
Those are purple. You got lied to. So this is the jail this year? I think this is a jail. No, oh yeah, it was a jail last year.
I don't know if it was.
It was.
No, we're just. Oh, we got another one.
Yep.
I got their leader.
Yep. You got
Oh, look at that! Good, we gotta question him.
me. Okay, I'm dead, so I'm not talking.
Heard there's an attack going on.
Yeah.
I know nothing.